Two-story duplex. Wow, duplex. Two-car garage. Wow, two-car garage. Solid mahogany main door with smart door lock. Wow, smart door lock. Living area with engineered bamboo cladding accent. Wow, engineered bamboo. Open courtyard with modern jalousie. Wow, modern jalousie. Common toilet and bath with WPC door. Wow, WPC door. Dining area with engineered bamboo ceiling. Wow, engineered bamboo. Kitchen with island with large format porcelain tiles. Wow, large format. Stairs with WPC wood slats. Wow, wood slats. Three-bedroom with AC units. Wow, with AC units. Master bedroom with balcony. Wow, balcony. Walk-in closet with PVC ceiling. Wow, PVC ceiling. Second floor, common toilet and bath. Wow, toilet and bath. Master's bedroom with laminated floor. Wow, laminated floor.